JJ.A.C Tech Channel. How to upgrade your old PC case to a new PC case, case swap for short. From this to this. Step 1. Disassembling. Be warned. This is an involved process. You have to go through more or less all of the steps of building a new PC from the ground up, with the added inconvenience of having to disassemble another one first. It's time-consuming and boring, but not particularly difficult. Also, we're not covering liquid-cooled computers here. The setup on those is very specific to the components your computer uses, and can also be pretty finicky. If you have a liquid-cooled PC, you'll need to find instructions specific to your setup, or, better yet, get some help from someone who's done it before. Step 2. Cleaning. And as always, if you've never done this before, we recommend taking pictures of how things are set up as you disassemble your PC, where cables are plugged in, where components go, and so on. Step 3. Assembling. For the new case, we're essentially going to go in reverse. You'll be working with all the same components, just putting them in instead of taking them out. Remove both the access panels from the new case and get started. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.